All right, so it's Thursday night. I don't know what time it is, 7 or 8 o'clock at night. The water is so bad they took our boats that usually are parked on the right side of that pier, dragged them across the lake and tied them up by an island so that they wouldn't get battered because they're cedar boats and apparently they're expensive and whatever. So here's another set of our guys going on. I don't know if you can see that. So we don't have boats, but we're going to try to fish off the pier tonight. I'm not going to try to fish off the pier. The guy wearing the white hood, that's John. He's from our cabin. Lives in California now, Chicagoan. Look at those guys. Does that look like fun? Hold on, let me zoom in on these boys. There's John in the white hat. I think Mark Vitale, that's Tom Vitale. I don't know who's in the blue coat right there. That looks like, I don't know. Here's Nick. I can tell that's Nick. He's thinking about going out there. Not sure. Hasn't really made up his mind. It's frigid. It's like last I heard it was 41 degrees. That was like at lunchtime. So it might be worse than that now. Anyway, they're out there. They're hoping for some fish, like we need more fish. I'm good. I think maybe that's Sam coming off the pier. Those two guys are going to go. Sam and Nick. There's a place you can walk to and fish from shore, which is, I've been there. It's not worth the walk, but they're going to make it. Anyway, over and out. Mita Lake, May 30th, 2018.